Steve Schmidt here, Schmidt Farms. Today we're going to talk about guy hooks that are on top of a pole and how we connect to them via a dead end. So if you look right here, this is a guy hook which has a hook to it, and with the dead end we'll actually hook into this when it's complete. Alright, so looking at the dead end, the way the dead end works is the cable is here and we connect the cable to the dead end by keeping the cable a little bit longer than the dead end. So you want it maybe 1 inch longer, just so it has something you use as pressure to wind it up. So with it there, you can see there's loops here, and this is where we're going to loop the cable through. So the cable's here, the dead end is hooked on here, and with the pressure on it, we're going to take it and wind it around. Okay, and you're going to want to do one side all the way down. So you basically wind it all the way down. When you're done with the one side, you're going to move. At this point, if you're connecting this to an eye bolt, you're going to want to slide it into the eye bolt and do the other side. Since we're using a guy hook, we don't have to hook it in yet, so we're going to go ahead and do the other side. And basically here's the groove we want to connect to, and it's going to connect down here. We're basically bringing it over like this, and we're going to wind it in. Please wear gloves, it helps a lot. And basically we're going to go all the way down with this. And when you're done, this cable with the dead end on it is going to slide on the guy hook just like that. Then the other end gets connected with a hop tensioner down by the anchor. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.